Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. So access the program window of Microsoft Word. From the start button we have to start button, and from start menu click on start Microsoft Word. Here is the program window in front of our desktop. So we need to generate a paragraph over here to understand the application or usage of hyperlink in Microsoft document. So I'm going to use a built-in function. So type is equal to rand one paragraph having 3 sentences or 3 lines. Press enter key, and we have generated some random text paragraph. So here if I add one more line below the paragraph or in the new paragraph, my task that done. So link, if I want to tell the user of the reader of this document to what the task means or where is my task, so I can use hyperlink for this purpose. So for creating hyperlink, we have to select the word where we want to insert the hyperlink. So I'm going to ask word because I'm going to link the task document which I have already created. So just click on double click on task or select the task. From here we have to click on the insert tab, which is on the second, which is at second position on the ribbon tab. From here we have to access the links group. So you can see we have 3 options or 3 commands in this group, but we are just interested on only hyperlink option. So click on hyperlink and it will show you the insert hyperlink dialog box. From here I have to locate my document which I have already made. From you can see I'm going to link this document, task 1. So click on your file, your document, and click OK. Now you can see the text color is changed from black to blue. So that means we have successfully created a hyperlink on this word task. So if we want to open the task document from here, so we have to press the control key and click on it. It will show you a pop-up dialog box. It is asking security. Don't worry, it's local to our computer. And do you want to continue? Of course we want to continue. Click on yes. You can see we have the task document from just clicking on our original document. So this was the lesson for today. If you want to something, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching.